Energy efficient. Window replacement benefits in Deer Park TX start with lower utility costs, better indoor comfort, and stronger year-round performance in Gulf Coast weather. New energy-saving windows for Deer Park TX residential properties can reduce heat gain during long Texas summers, improve insulation in winter, and help stabilize interior temperatures in homes near Beltway 8, Pasadena, La Porte, and South Houston. Double pane replacement windows for improved insulation are especially effective for homeowners who want to improve home efficiency with new windows while also increasing resale value and reducing strain on HVAC systems. Signs you need. Window replacement Deer Park TX often show up as drafts, condensation between panes, sticky operation, visible warping, rising energy bills, and noise from nearby roads. Drafty window repair versus full replacement is an important decision, but older units with failing seals or damaged frames usually benefit more from complete replacement windows than patchwork fixes. Homeowners in Deer Park TX 77536, including properties in established neighborhoods and newer subdivisions, often choose residential window replacement services in Deer Park, Texas, when their current windows no longer provide comfort, security, or efficiency. How to choose replacement windows for Texas heat depends on frame material, glass package, and installation quality. The best replacement windows for Deer Park TX climate typically include low E glass, insulated double pane construction, and frame materials that resist expansion, warping, and moisture damage in humid conditions. Window replacement materials comparison for Texas homeowners often comes down to vinyl versus fiberglass replacement windows for Deer Park TX, with vinyl replacement windows for Deer Park TX homeowners offering affordability and low maintenance, while fiberglass can provide higher durability and excellent dimensional stability in hot, humid weather. Low-maintenance replacement windows for humid climates are a smart fit for homes that need reliable performance with minimal upkeep. The best window replacement Deer Park TX homes include double-hung window replacement in Deer Park TX, casement window replacement Deer Park TX homes, and sliding window replacement services in Deer Park, Texas, depending on ventilation goals, style preferences, and budget. Replacement windows that increase home value can also improve curb appeal, especially when homeowners select matching profiles for older facades or coordinate with modern exteriors. Custom window replacement for older Deer Park homes is often the right choice for properties that need special sizing, historic character preservation, or upgraded functionality without compromising architectural appeal. Sound-reducing replacement windows for busy Deer Park streets are ideal for homeowners living near high-traffic corridors or commercial areas where noise reduction matters as much as thermal performance. Impact-resistant window replacement for Texas weather adds another layer of protection against storms, wind-driven debris, and severe weather events common along the Gulf Coast. Impact-resistant windows installed in Deer Park TX can also provide peace of mind for families who want stronger security and better long-term durability from their window investment. Professional window replacement. Deer Park TX homes should include an initial inspection, accurate measurements, product selection, careful removal of old units, precise installation, sealing, insulation, and final cleanup. What to expect during window replacement service is straightforward when working with Texas-certified window replacement experts in Deer Park TX, who can help guide homeowners through product choices, permitting if needed, and final quality checks. How to measure windows for replacement in Deer Park TX is also critical, since accurate sizing ensures a proper fit, smoother installation, and long-lasting energy performance. Average window replacement timeline in Deer Park TX depends on the number of openings, the complexity of the project, and whether custom sizes are required. Small projects may be completed quickly, while larger residential window replacement services in Deer Park, Texas can take longer if multiple styles or specialty frames are involved. Best time of year for window replacement in Deer Park TX is often during milder weather, but experienced local window installers serving Deer Park and LaPorte TX can complete installations efficiently year-round with minimal disruption to the home. Window replacement Deer Park TX cost guide searches often lead homeowners to compare product quality, labor, frame type, and glass upgrades before making a decision. Affordable window replacement in Deer Park TX and nearby areas is possible when homeowners request multiple quotes, explore financing, and prioritize the most urgent openings first. Same-day window replacement quotes in Deer Park TX can help speed up planning, while window replacement estimates in Deer Park TX 77536 give a clearer picture of project scope and total investment. Window replacement financing options for homeowners can make it easier to move forward without delaying essential improvements. Replacement windows for homes in Deer Park. TX 77536 should be selected with both function and local climate in mind. Window replacement for Gulf Coast humidity in Deer Park TX requires frames and seals that resist moisture intrusion, while window replacement for homes near Beltway 8 in Deer Park TX may benefit from added sound control and impact protection. Window replacement for older houses in Deer Park, Texas often calls for custom window replacement installer in Deer Park, Texas expertise, especially when dealing with unique trim, non-standard openings, or outdated materials that no longer perform well. Local window replacement contractors in Deer Park TX can help homeowners compare options, review warranties, and choose the right product for long-term performance. Replacement window warranties explained should cover glass, frame, and installation details so buyers understand what is protected and for how long. House window replacement company in Deer Park, Texas options vary, but the best providers offer professional window installation in Deer Park, Texas neighborhoods, transparent pricing, and guidance on how replacement windows reduce energy bills while improving comfort. Window replacement services near South Houston and Deer Park TX, as well as window replacement contractors near Pasadena TX and Deer Park TX, give nearby homeowners access to reliable service, better product selection, and local support.